Hello, it's good to hear from you. How are you doing? How are you? Did you have a good drive to Washington? Do you have the envelope with the instructions for Washington? Don't worry, I can give them to you. Are you ready to write the instructions down? Let me remind you of what your Aunt Stephanie wanted you to do, okay? She wants you to visit Georgetown, where she lived a number of years ago as a student. Then, the instructions say her favorite restaurant was Antonio's, and you'll need to bring me a copy of the menu and your receipt from eating there. Did you get all of that? Do you understand? Your Aunt Stephanie recommends that you drive through the National Arboretum, in addition to visiting the Lincoln Memorial and the U.S. Capitol building. Don't forget to take a picture of Lindbergh's Spirit of St. Louis when you visit the Smithsonian. And she wanted to make sure that you knew in order to see the Declaration of Independence and the Bill of Rights, you'll need to go to the National Archives. I hope you have a good time in Washington, and call me when you get to San Francisco. Goodbye. Well, don't worry. Just read over the instructions in the envelopes I gave you, and call me back if you have any problems. Should I continue? I'm sorry. I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?